Hey guys, my name is Matt Muth, and today I'm going to be telling you about why my summer was the best. It was one of the best summers of my life, so I'll tell you a little bit about it. Started off, me and the family and my girlfriend, we headed out to the hills. We did a little bit of four-wheel riding, which was awesome. Saw some elk on the trails, and it was nice and wet, so got a little muddy, which was pretty cool. After that, we came home, and then about 2 weeks later, me and like seven of my friends loaded up in a van um, and headed to Denver, which was absolutely awesome. We started off by hitting up the Rocky Mountains, and did some hiking, which was one of the best experiences of my life. And then we went to a Rockies baseball game, which was pretty sweet. They have a really cool stadium. And then after that, we just kind of got some scooters and rode around downtown Denver, which was, I mean, that was pretty fun too. So overall, it was just a great summer, and it was an absolute blast, and that's why I think mine was the best. Thanks, guys.